Alright, I'm back with one of the cutest Gunpla ever. Right before quarantine, I was actually a pastry cook and a barista. And one of my favorite desserts to make has to be the creme caramel or a flan. That super dark, bitter caramel contrasting with the super sweet, smooth, silky custard. I'm actually surprised I didn't stutter on that. My lisp didn't ruin it. Sweet, smooth, silky custard. I'm thinking of switching the way I do my videos, and instead of the speed through, me cutting out the runner because it's actually really annoying to try to film, I'm going to start doing pre-builds, like putting the arms, the head, and legs together, and then focusing on the painting. I'm just using this panel line tape from Tamiya to cover the joints up. The poly caps are going to go here, and they're also going to be covered by the alligator tips, but I want to make sure I don't get any paint on them so that connecting the poly caps and the pieces to the main body later, I don't have to worry about chipping the paint. So I found in my random drawer of random bullcrap some really cute resin fruits, and then I tried to make a flan out of epoxy sculpt. Originally I sculpted it to fit the ear, but I also made sure that I could fit in the middle of the head because I wasn't too sure about where I wanted it to go. In order to get that nice custardy yellow color, I'm mixing this very light beige with the orangey yellow. Since I primed the pieces with a flesh tone primer, I'm adding a little more yellow to the base because white tends to need several coats to completely cover a piece, but the yellow color is going to show through more, so I want the yellow and the flesh color to kind of mix together and like really amp up that custard color. In order to get the caramel color that I was looking for, I mixed a clear orange with a clear violet and overly thinned the paint so that I can build up the layers. The caramel on an actual flan, the top is opaque, while the sauce and everything dripping down the sides is more like a translucent color. So I'm going to be building up layer after layer after layer to get that nice like sheen of caramel. The actual video of me spray painting and building up the layers of the caramel was so out of focus, it like broke my heart. So I have a painted piece next to an unfinished piece. You can see the color difference and what it looks like over that creamy base color that I painted on the pieces earlier. And just look at how cute that little mini flan is. Like, it makes my heart sing. I miss my job so much. Every single time I try to assemble a bear guy, I always put the mouth plate on upside down. My vision for the head was to kind of have sauce dripping down like this, but I had just enough resin to make the fruit and that was it. So I'm a little disappointed with that. And then I had gotten some webbing on the eyes because the paint I was using started to dry. So it's, I mean, you can see it from afar, it's not that bad, but I know it's there. I know it's there. To me, it looks like this. It looks awful. But overall, I'm really happy with how this project turned out. I'm definitely going to try it again. Maybe make the fruits a little more even, get rid of some of those linings and the seams, and hopefully get some more resin so I make the little drippy drips. Came through dripping, drip drip. I'm sorry, that was awful. Bye!